Hey, welcome to Akhil Digital Vault. I'm learning new AI skills, attending a boot camp, and sharing everything I learn right here. If you're into tech, communication, or just want to stay ahead, hit subscribe and join the journey. Let's imagine for a second that you're the CEO of a futuristic company. You've just hired the smartest assistant in the world, an AI that can talk to anyone, answer anything, and even sound human. Exciting, right? But after a few days, you notice something strange. Your assistant can talk about travel, stock markets, health, and history, but it can't actually do anything with your calendar. It can't read your PDFs, can't check your flight status, and forget trying to send an email or fetch real-time data from a website. It's smart, but isolated, like a genius locked in a room. That's where LangChain comes in. LangChain is like the control room behind the curtain, the framework that helps your AI assistant break free and actually do things in the real world. Think of LangChain as the engineer behind smart AI apps. It takes large language models like ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini and gives them tools, memory, and the ability to interact with real-world systems. So instead of just having conversations, your AI can now read documents, call APIs, search the web, use tools like calculators or CRMs, summarize reports, automate tasks across platforms like Google Docs, Notion, or databases. Now let's make it even simpler with a story. Story time. Meet Ria, a busy entrepreneur. Ria runs a growing online fashion business. Her days are packed, managing orders, responding to customers, analyzing sales reports, planning shoots. She decides to build an AI assistant to help her out. She starts with ChatGPT and gives it a name, Zia. Zia is great at chatting. It can explain trends, write product descriptions, and even reply to customer messages. But Ria wants more. She wants Zia to check her Shopify orders, summarize her weekly revenue, send her a daily SMS update, and even draft an email to suppliers when inventory is low. This is where LangChain becomes the game changer. With LangChain, Ria connects Zia to her Shopify store to pull order data, Google Sheets to log transactions, Twilio to send her SMS updates, Gmail to send automated emails, a warehouse API to track stock levels. Now every morning, Zia greets Ria with a message. Good morning, Ria. You had 87 new orders yesterday. Revenue was 1.3 lakhs rupees. I noticed red handbags are low in stock. I've drafted an email to your supplier, ready to send when you confirm. That's not just conversation. That's intelligent, real-world automation, and it's powered by LangChain. But what actually is LangChain, technically speaking? At its core, LangChain is a framework, a toolbox for developers. It's built in Python and JavaScript and designed to help language models do three things. 1. Use external tools and APIs, like a calculator, search engine, or any app. 2. Access and work with documents and databases, PDFs, Google Docs, SQL data, anything. 3. Maintain memory. So your AI app remembers what happened before, like a human with LangChain connects all these parts together in a way that's modular, flexible, and easy to scale. You don't need to write 5,000 lines of custom code. LangChain handles the plumbing, so you can focus on the experience. And another example. Let's say you're building a personal health coach. You want it to read your fitness tracker data, summarize your weekly workouts, pull in recipes based on your calories burned, book your yoga sessions, track your mood from journal entries. All these tasks need different tools, APIs, databases, schedulers, file readers. With LangChain, you connect all those tools into one smooth, intelligent assistant, one that feels more human, more personalized, and more useful. So why is everyone talking about LangChain? Because we've reached a point where AI is not just about generating text, it's about taking action. LangChain is part of the new generation of agentic AI tools, systems where AI acts like an agent that can think, decide, and do. It's being used in customer support bots that pull answers from your company's documents, AI tutors that explain concepts based on a student's learning style, sales bots that write and send personalized emails based on CRM data, HR assistants that screen resumes and generate onboarding checklists. LangChain makes it possible for non-technical people to dream big and for developers to build fast. So in summary, LangChain is not just another AI tool. It's the brainstem that connects thought to action. It's the invisible force that lets AI apps read, remember, act, and automate across the tools we use every day. If you're dreaming about an app that feels like a genius intern, a personal secretary, or a business co-pilot, LangChain is the framework that makes it real. The AI revolution is no longer about what the bot says, it's about what the bot does, and LangChain is how it gets done. Thanks for listening.